What is up, guys? It's Evan here, and we are in this beautiful Holiday in Thailand resort. I'm here with Brendan Agranoff. He makes socks, okay? And he's also taking a massive
A3, bro. It's right here. Yeah, whip on the haters, Evan.
Look at this. Thailand. How beautiful. We're in Jordan, right? We're in Jordan, okay? I thought that was this morning, okay? Until Brennan told me that we've been traveling for 28 hours to get here. Apparently, we left Jordan yesterday at noon. Got to, where did we go? Got to Qatar. We got this, and we've got a beautiful view behind us right here.
I thought I was the
Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
Hello.
Yes, look at how pretty this is. This is, I really want to, so look, we're on like the second story. I'm really tempted to just like jump off into that, but it's also like only 2 feet deep. And this morning we're headed out to Fifi. We figure out how the hell to get there because neither of us had any clue. So that's gonna be fun. I think tomorrow we're headed off to Tokyo and then there to Hawaii. But yeah, so Thailand is literally beautiful and it's so cheap.
Very cold boat.
It's not cold.
I'm wearing a tank top. So we are in the beautiful ocean of
Thailand.
What ocean is this?
Yeah, you're not knowing. Get in shape, bro. What? Are we in trouble, bro?
We're going into the storm.
I don't
That
think
looks a lot less intense on camera. In real life, that looks like a.
That is terrifying. It's literally pouring right. But we made it.
The
We made
beautiful
it.
land of Texas.
Look it. There's a Chick-fil-A.
That's a long-tail boat. I emailed him. He didn't email me back. What are the odds? We found Mr. Chet. We came here trying to find Mr. Chet. And we found him.
Well, welcome to Fifi. Oh, I took that L. Bro, we came here on that boat. Thank you.